Being a digital marketer today is definitely not easy. Not only do you need high-quality content, but you also need a lot of it. But creating good content is incredibly time-consuming. At least that is what I thought until I came across Wordai. In case you have never heard of Wordai, it is a lightning-fast content rewriter that uses artificial intelligence to automatically create unique variations of any piece of content. The best part is, Wordai creates rewrites that both humans and Google love. I know, that's a bold claim, and I was pretty skeptical myself. So I decided to test their claims with their free trial, and can tell you honestly, I opted directly for the yearly subscription after that. I'm not exaggerating when I tell you that Wordai is better than any other tool, service, or method on the market. I have been using Wordai to fill out my blogs and have already covered the cost of my yearly subscription. It's crazy, but I'm just scratching the surface of how far I can scale my SEO with Wordai. While I am using Wordai to scale my SEO efforts, you can also use Wordai to diversify your copy, or even brainstorm to beat writer's block. I could tell you about Wordai all day, but you really just need to try it for yourself. They are so confident in their technology that they offer a completely free 3-day trial and a 30-day money-back guarantee. So, what are you waiting for? Go check out the link in the description to start your Wordai free trial. You can thank me later if this tool has transformed the way that you create content.